Good morning, student. This is Preeti Devgam, Assistant Professor, BA Department, Mahila College, Chabasa. And today I am going to teach BEd Semester 2, Paper 7A. That is the method, Biological Science. In it I am going to teach Unit 3, topic, Teaching Aids. The teacher of Biological Science has to face many problems like how he should teach his subject that would become clear, simple, lively and interesting, and also how he should contribute his cooperation in the realization of the teaching objectives related to that subject. Thus here teaching aids act as a boon in teaching learning process, as teaching aids are the tools that teacher use them in the classroom, such as flashcards, maps, cassette and blackboard. Also, a teaching aid is a tool used by teachers to help learners improve reading and other skills, illustrate or reinforce a skill, fact or idea, and relieve anxiety, fears or boredom, since many teaching aids are like games. Why there is a need and importance of teaching aids? At teaching aids helps in clarity, attention and interest, best motivators, use of maximum senses, saving time and effort, fixing and recalling the knowledge, meeting the individual differences, encouraging activities, introductory variety, development of scientific attitude, direct experiences, and promotion of international understanding. In it we can see that these points defines that a student get more focused in teaching learning process, and though they show interest in the subject, also the aim of teaching and learning process are achieved, that is to get focused. It helps in clarity of the subject, it's act as motivators, it saves time and effort, and thus here teaching learning aids supports teaching and learning in a more effective way, and thus the objectives of teaching and learning are get achieved. We can understand it by this diagram. In passive learning we can see the maximum learning that a student gained is up to 50%, and it involves the seeing and hearing part. But in active learning we can see that 90% is the maximum of the achievement in teaching learning process, and they achieved it by doing the practical things. It means that what they learn in theoretical part, they practice it in practical way in a form of experimental method. We can categorize teaching aids into three categories, that is audio aids, visual aids and audio visual aids. Audio aids. The teaching aids include under this class are those by which knowledge is gained by hearing. They provide knowledge through the organ of hearing, so they are called audio aids. Example: radio, tape recorder, microphone. Visual aids. Those teaching aids are included under this class which can be looked at for gaining knowledge, because knowledge is acquired through the organ of vision, so these aids are called visual aids. Example: chart paper, blackboard, bulletin board, pictures, photograph, etc. Audio visual aid. Under this class are included those teaching aids through which knowledge is acquired using the organs of both hearing and vision. In other words, they are related to our organs of hearing and vision simultaneously. Example: television, film, video, etc. We can classify audiovisual aids as projected and non-projected aids. In non-projected aids, the material, that is chart paper, graphs, puppets, flashcards, display boards, globes. Audiovisual aids like tape recorder, radio, activity aids like demonstration, experiments comes under non-projected aids, and in projected aids we can see slides, sound films, etc. Here are some Dale's classification of audiovisual aids. In it we can see at the top of the cone we can see some verbal symbols In second, we can see visual symbol. Third, recording, radio, still picture, then motion picture, then television, then exhibits, field trips, demonstration, dramatized experiences, contrived experience, and then direct purposeful experience. So here we can see that students learn more in direct purposeful experience, and thus we can say that audio visual aids help students to learn more in comparison to only audio aids or only visual aids. Hope so it helped you to understand it more better. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.